Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law, every Saturday at 11 right here on News 96.5. By the way, Olsen on Law now, 28 years in Orlando marketplace. Folks, that adds up to over 1,800 radio shows and 20,000 legal questions I've answered for you on the air over the years. My guest today is attorney Jim Monroe. He's a bankruptcy attorney right here in Orlando. Jim, you've been doing bankruptcy, been a lawyer for, hey, how long now?
Over 32 years.
Well, I got a year on you for that. So I had a lot of experience with bankruptcy. And who is your typical client?
Oh, a typical client, well, it sort of varies. I've just practiced almost every single chapter of bankruptcy that there is, 11s, 12s, 7s, and 13s. So it's generally either a business that has suffered a hardship of some sort or an individual that has face some sort of catastrophic economic problem in their lives.
And there's a bankruptcy court right here in Orlando, I assume, right?
Yes, there is a bankruptcy court, and it is the third busiest bankruptcy court in the nation.
How many bankruptcy judges are there?
There are actually 3 bankruptcy judges here in Orlando. There are 2 in Jacksonville and a number over in Tampa. Right. So in the Middle District is fully stocked with bankruptcy judges.
So I want to wind up the show today by talking about student debt because it is becoming a huge problem, and you're on the front lines of it. Tell us what's going on.
Yes, there are currently $1.1 trillion in student debts behind mortgages, but there are more student debts than credit card debts in this country.
Well, when the laws were written, I guess through influence and so forth, they were written in a way so that people generally could not wipe out student debt like they can credit cards through bankruptcy.
That's correct. The bankruptcy code was written, and it says that you can only discharge student debts with a hardship. But you can discharge them if you can prove that hardship.
All right. Well, Jim, we appreciate you being on the show today. If people want to reach you next week, how do they do that?
They can call me at 407-872-7447.
Thank you, Jim. Hey, everybody, my name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law. Thanks so much for all your great calls and questions. I do so much appreciate it. If I may, a suggestion for you, go outdoors and take pleasure in the beauty of nature. And as always, enjoy your friends and family. You're listening to WDBO.